Hey guys, welcome back to JMC Cars. Today we are reviewing the Peugeot RCZ 1.6 front wheel drive. In this video we will check out, of course, the exterior, interior, and take you guys for a comprehensive drive. Let's take a look at the trunk. Press down here. Actually a pretty big trunk for such a small car. You have 321 liters of trunk capacity. Let's take a look at the interior. You have this really long front door with nice smooth leather. You have your sport seats, also in leather, fully automatic controls with memory and heated seats. And in the back you have two seats, which is quite useless unless if you're a child, because the space back here is really small. Let's jump in. This car is a manual 6-speed, so you have your clutch, brake, gas pedal in metal and metal footrest. Nice detail. You have your sports steering wheel with flat bottom and your gauges, small screen, your 6-speed manual handbrake, your button for the spoiler. When you think about Peugeot from around 2010, you don't really connect it with good build quality, so I'm actually impressed by the quality of this car. Feels really solid, but that doesn't mean that the car itself drives well, so we'll check that out later, how the car handles. Let's pop the hood. Here you have the 1.6 liters petrol engine with 156 horsepower and 240 Newton meters of torque. Let's take the RCZ for a spin. And I don't know if it's just this model or this exact car, but the gearbox is a bit clunky, so just so you know. And sorry for the POV, the windshield is really small because of how small the car is, so really nothing we can do about that. The car actually feels rather tight to drive, really nice handling, and these sport seats, you are tucked in. Let's take a ride here and head for the highway to test the performance. Let's head to the highway and do a pull in 3rd gear. Car feels rather fast because how small it is, and 156 horsepower is decent for this car, but It's nothing to really push you back, but overall pretty good. Now we will find some narrow roads to test out the handling. So let's just make an exit up here. Let's test out the handling. As I said before, handles pretty tight for an older car. I think it's a fun little car, but again the design is really not my cup of tea. See if you can hear the car in the tunnel. Put in neutral. Let's head down to the end of the tunnel for 0 to 100. Please consider to like and subscribe if you like our content here at JMC Cars. This has been the Peugeot RCZ from 2010. Thanks for watching JMC Cars. We'll be back with another video next week.